Ooh, check this out. This comment from Sarah Ann Olson. She says, this is life, you guys. I have to be honest, with all of these, I immediately think, what's your online biz selling? We get this question a lot. Let's go to the couch and talk about this. Right. Let's talk about this.
All right, Sarah Ann, this one is for you and for everybody else who's been talking about how do online businesses make money. And this is 2019 version right here, because let's face it, things change online all the time.
All the time.
And this is what's working right now.
Darn tootin'. So this comes up a lot in the online space, and to be quite honest, Brian and I wondered about this too. You see all these people out there living lavish, sweet lives, whether it's traveling full time or rolling in sweet cars or buying big fancy houses or throwing Benjamins at the camera. You see all these people living sick lives and you think, how the heck are they doing it? What's their online business? They don't talk anything about making money online or anything. Well, how are they doing it? Right?
Exactly. So we kind of want to just like pull back the curtain real fast and show you how do online businesses make money. I mean, you've heard about companies like Amazon.com and Netflix, and maybe your tax professional does stuff for you online. You never know. Well, there's a lot of different ways to make money online, and we want to break down the different ways that YouTubers specifically make money in the online space.
Yeah, so we're gonna share with you some of our favorites. Who are we gonna start with?
So first off, thanks Sarah Ann for inspiring this video.
Yeah.
And we hope you're doing awesome. So let's dive over to YouTube. So we're going to YouTube right now, and we're gonna search a couple of our favorite YouTubers that we follow who give us inspiration for things that we do. First off, let's check out our fellow Canadian.
My fellow. I guess you're Canadian.
Well,
Brian's Canadian now.
I'm not Canadian. All right, so we're gonna check out Peter McKinnon. So we're gonna go over to his channel, and you're gonna see some stuff on the screen that most people just going to YouTube don't see. Because we've got a little plugin installed. It's called TubeBuddy, and it helps YouTubers do research and also optimize their videos. And we've got a link in the description for that.
Yep.
So that you can optimize your videos. First thing off, let's see what he offers. How does he make money? So we're gonna click the About tab and see what he's got. So right here, he teaches photography and cinematography. He's got his DL, my presets and LUTs. That means download, by the way. So we're gonna click on that, and that loads his little shop that he has. So all of these are digital products that he offers for Lightroom, for sound packs, and then also LUT pack. That's for in Premiere, where you want to do some color changing and stuff to make your videos look nice. These are all things that he offers, and he charges for them. So that's one thing that Peter does.
Yeah, and Peter's been in the game for a while, I think since like 2010 or something like that. So he's at the point in his YouTube career where he is getting big sponsorships. He's out there filming and doing photography for a lot of big companies as well. But think about this as a long game. If you're getting into this, sure, you're doing something right now. You're offering something maybe small to get started. But then as you get going, momentum picks up, you get smarter, and opportunities start coming your way.
Yeah, so heading over to Peter's website, petermckinnon.com, he's got a tab for biz inquiries, merch, and presets. So if we click biz inquiries, it's contact form. If you go to merch, that goes to his jamescoffeeco.com, and he sells, merch like hats and looks like pins and also coffee, which is delicious. At least I love coffee. If you love coffee, you might like this coffee too. So there's another income stream for him. If we go just to his videos, now check this out. If we go into, let's go to one of his videos that we haven't gone into before. Let's see, uninspired with photography. So let's click on that and we start loading that. Check this out. So he starts this off. See these little, let me mute this. See these little yellow spots here? These are ads that pop up on the videos. that is another way that you can make money online in 2019.
Yeah, and the bigger your following gets, the more people are seeing ads, clicking on ads, and the more revenue you make.
Yeah, so Peter's an awesome inspiration. Definitely follow his channel if you want to learn more about cinematography and photography. He's
awesome.
got a lot of really cool tutorials. Next up, who do you want to check out?
Let's check out Kara and Nate.
Kara and Nate.
Fellow travel friends. These guys have been doing it for a while too. I think they're on like their 87th out of 100 countries. So these guys are on the move, doing really cool stuff, super talented with video. We've drawn a lot of inspiration from Kara and Nate actually with our videos, and even just like vlogging and being really open and honest about the experience that we're having. Well, when we first stumbled across them, we were like, how the heck are these two making money and funding their travels? So when we did some digging, we found out that they have 2 e-courses.
Yeah. So checking out their channel, they do a lot of travel vlogging. So going to different countries, different experiences, and talking about what it is that they're doing, which is absolutely brilliant. So if we clicked into one of their videos, you're gonna see that it just starts right away. Sometimes there might be an ad on here, sometimes there might not. If we click the show more button on the description, you're gonna start to see different links. So this is how some YouTubers make some money. They put links to what they're talking about in the videos. So for instance, get $40 off your Airbnb stay through their link. So if you click this and sign up through Airbnb, have your first stay, you can get some money off. And guess what? They get a commission on that. It's called affiliate income. Super cool to do, and it's free to be an affiliate of Airbnb. So down in the description, checking out this course here, learn how to travel hack with Nate. So they're huge into travel hacking, which is, how do you use points on credit cards? How do you accrue them, and how do you use them for flights? How do you get into lounges that are normally VIP for free? It's really, really cool what they do. So they've got this particular download. It's a free online guide, but guess what? When you get the guide, Nate shows you exactly how to get lounge access, and he's got affiliate links for all the different credit cards that he recommends in there. It's absolutely brilliant how you can refer other people's and other companies' things and earn a commission when a qualifying sale happens. So like if we went into this guide and we got a new credit card from their link, then guess what? They would get paid a commission on that. How sweet is that?
It's pretty sweet. And then at the end of this ebook, they're also offering Nate's e-course all about travel hacking and really making it so you can become a pro at it.
Yeah. So there's a few different ways that Kara and Nate are earning income. And besides that, having watched their videos, they do also go and work with sponsors. Like there's companies out there who say, hey, we need, maybe videos done, or maybe they need a blog post written or something. I'm not sure exactly everything that they do, but that's just another way to earn income with an online business here in 2019. Do you want to do one more?
Yeah, let's check out the Endless Adventure.
The Endless Adventure. All right, let's check them out. There they are.
These guys are so cute, Allison and Eric. They're foodies, big time foodies, so they share a lot of their experiences traveling, what they eat, where they stay, super honest about it, really thrifty, so they are teaching people how to get awesome deals as well. Where are they making money?
So let's go check that out. Let's start with the About tab on YouTube. So check this out. Sometimes if you're wondering if there's no links down here, you can click the view email address, click I'm not a robot and submit. And sometimes there will be like a professional email address. Like for instance, ours here says, I think it says like b@badventurepartners.com, or it might be our support one.
At badventurepartners.com.
So that's super professional, having your own branded email address. So that's how you can find people's websites. But here they actually have links to their stuff. So get your tea merch, which is the Endless Adventure merch. So you click on that and they've got their little digital shop of different t-shirts, mugs, and hoodies, phone cases, they've got their merch on there. Some people, want to buy your branded stuff whenever you're building a business online because it makes them feel part of the community to be able to support you, which is totally sweet.
That's how you know you have super fans, when they want to wear your t-shirts, have your coffee cup, wear your hat, whatever.
Yeah, so another way that they're earning income is one-time donations. So when you click on that, it loads up their PayPal page where you can either do a one-time donation or you can make it a monthly, which is totally cool. That's another way to earn income for an online business. Support this channel. If you click on that one,
this is cool.
Yeah, you're gonna head over to their Patreon page. A lot of YouTubers are doing Patreon now because it's a really easy way to have kind of like your own little membership sort of thing. There are some costs involved with doing a Patreon or creating your own membership site and stuff, but hey, it's part of doing business. It's a part of, if you want to earn income, you've got to be able to spend a little income. That's just normal, right?
Yeah, that's actually the really cool thing about this. Not everybody is going to want to live the lifestyle that maybe you do if you're doing like a travel thing or whatever, but they want to be a part of it. They want to live vicariously through you. So if you're doing something like these guys, then you may have some exclusive content, like maybe you go live and answer questions or something.
Yeah, so going over to one of their videos, they roll ads on theirs also. So the thing about rolling ads on YouTube is there's a few requirements. First, you have to have 1,000 subscribers minimum on your channel. Second, you need to have 4,000 watch hours in the rolling calendar year, the last 365 days. So if you don't have that, you can't get the ads rolling on your content yet. But once you do pass that threshold, now you can configure these. There's different types: full screen, mid-roll. There's also these little lower third ads that pop up, and then also sidebar ads like this one here on the right. So that's just another income stream. So if you don't have your own product yet, but you want to create a lot of videos and stuff, build your subscriber base. You can also build your watch hours and everything, engage in other people's content, maybe do some collaborations to get more eyes on your stuff so that you can potentially earn YouTube money.
Yeah, we've seen these guys do some awesome collaboration with this other couple called Away, and it's awesome. It's a really neat way to build channel awareness and start to share fans. People will start, hanging out on both channels and sharing that content with their friends. So it's a really cool way to just get more known and utilize other people's networks. We can't expect that everybody that lands on our channel is gonna love us, but maybe if we did a collab, they would love our friends, or vice versa, So different strokes for different folks. You definitely want to get into collaborations at some point because it's just an awesome way to get your name out there as a brand.
Yeah, so far we've covered for online business money-making strategies, being an affiliate. So you can be an affiliate of all sorts of different companies. A lot of companies just offer that now. It's a normal thing. Also having your own merch and creating your own e-courses. And then also rolling ads on your videos. So now, back to Sarah Ann's question: how does Be Adventure Partners earn income on their online business, in our online business in 2019? And before and beyond.
Let's talk about that. This has changed a lot. As we were talking about before, as you get better, you start to figure out who you are as a brand. You make some mistakes. You make a lot of mistakes. You waste money, you waste time, energy, whatever. It all leads you to a destination of the perfect offer for you, something that really resonates with you as a company, as a brand.
So going down into the description, you can see that for one, we don't have 1,000 subs yet. The channel is still very new. Everybody who starts a YouTube channel all start at 0, which is totally awesome. Shows that it's possible to build a channel. So how do you make money online if you can't get the ads? Well, ads don't really make up the bulk of the income for YouTubers. Most of them make the bulk of their income from being affiliated with things, or they also are teachers of some kind. So here's an example of that. Here's an affiliation we have. It's the all-in-one knowledge commerce platform that we use, that we host our e-courses on. So when someone signs up for that and they start using the platform, we earn a commission on it. This is totally normal. This is how people do it. Another thing is we've got all sorts of different things that people can do to take action on our descriptions. So we offer a free e-course, and I know what you're thinking right now, Brian, how do you make money online? You're telling me that you give away a free e-course? Of course. Why not?
Yeah.
Why wouldn't we?
Yeah, you'll notice a lot of people are doing this. They're giving away something for free in exchange for an email address. This is what you call building your list. It's so that you can start to build a loyal fan base that you are giving stuff to. And in return, the more they hang out with you, the more they're gonna love you, know you, and trust you. And guess what? That's when they start buying stuff. So why not give them something for free to start?
Yeah, so we have the Mindset Magic method, which if you wanna grab the Mindset Magic, jump in there. It's a free mini course about mindset. Going back to YouTube, we also have the Tribe membership. Now, this is for people who are wanting to take their online business to the next level, or maybe you don't have an online business yet and you're trying to figure out how to put it all together. The Tribe membership is all about that. It's full of e-courses that guide you through step by step. There's a roadmap in there that shows you what to do in what order, so it all fits together so that you can start earning, money from what you know, earning money in the online space. Maybe you want to create your own YouTube channel. Well, how do you earn money? Well, we just showed you how you earn money, but there's more to it. There's more strategy. There's more things that you can become affiliated with. And also you could build your own things, which is even a higher percent of income.
Yeah, that's right. And knowing how to put it together is the most important part. For us, we struggled for a long time until we figured out what we wanted to offer. We went from shiny object to shiny object and really had an interesting journey figuring out who we were as a brand. And it wasn't until we found a tribe to hang out with and to really understand how this whole online business thing worked, that's when it started coming together for us. So that's exactly why we created the Be Adventure Partners exclusive tribe for entrepreneurs, is to take people through this whole online business building process step by step, so you don't get stuck as you put your business together, so you can reach out, ask questions, be a part of a community, rewind, fast forward, rewind again, learn what you need to learn with a video, so when you're busy, you can burn the midnight oil if you want. You can watch the videos early in the morning, but you can always come back to the training, and you also have support.
Yeah, so Sarah Ann, we hope that this answered your question, along with everybody else who's been asking, so how do you make money online, scratching their head? Hopefully you're not scratching your head any longer, and if this is something that you want to do, we'd love to have you in the tribe. And if you haven't yet, be sure to hit subscribe button and smash that bell. Make it ding nice and loud, because we create videos all about traveling the world and building a business online so that you could live a life that you never have to take a vacation from.
And until next time, friends,
adventure on!
Adventure on. Bye!